Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rizwan with you, your investment portfolio manager. Today I'm gonna introduce you another amazing project with another amazing development right on the forehead of Crystal Lagoon. The thing that you're seeing behind me, it's Crystal Lagoon with the length of 15 kilometers. And when we say something ultra luxurious, this is the thing that we got for the ultra luxurious kind of projects. So the community is Tilal Al Ghaf. It's developed by a well-known developer, which is Majid Al Futtaim. So we're gonna show you a mansion which is called Serenity Mansion, and it's having a 5, 6 and 7 bedrooms with the ultra luxurious kind of interior designing, and something like this with the views of like this you will get in this community. When we talk about Majid Al Futtaim group, it's a really huge and the well-known brand in the UAE. As you know that they are really famous in all major kind of industries of the UAE. So the development of this community, it's already 70% of the community is fully developed. The townhouses, you would be able to see the townhouses, standalone villas and mansions. So in 2020, the people have bought here the townhouses which was 3 and 4 bedrooms with the price of around 1.2 million, and they have made the incredible capital appreciation. And right now if you see that the value of the same townhouses when it's ready, it's around 1.9 to 2 million. So just within the hype of 2 years, they have made around 900 to 1 million dirhams here in this project, in this community. Right next to this community, the one of the ancient school in the UAE or all over the world, you are going to get just next to this community, which is called the Royal Grammar School. So today I'm going to show you the villa. I will give you the full tour of this villa. I will show you the quality, the finishing, the interior design, the layouts and everything in the details. So let me take you to the inside of this villa. So welcome guys to your luxurious and branded home. So I have just get inside. This is the main entrance door where you get some space to do some kind of shelves or shoe racking, whatever. So let me tell you the layout first of all. So once we here enter on the left hand, we are going to get our powder room and our access to the parking, the front garage parking. And then on the right side, we are going to get a gym, a guest bedroom here on that, and then a stairs going upstairs to the first floor, and then again of course to the second floor and the roof. Then we have also a private elevator in this villa, which is going all the way from basement to the rooftop. So first of all, let's start from here. As we enter from here, on the right side here, you are going to get some kind of water features in this side, where you will be able to see ancient olive trees with some water features of like fountains and these kind of things. And then let's move forward. Here on the left hand, you're gonna get a gym room where you will do your normal exercise and all of the things. And from here you are going to get the direct access to your private garden and the kids play area. So let's move forward to see the guest bedroom, which is on the ground floor. So as you can see that this is massive and the branded. Look at the wallpaper and the finishing which they have done in the bedroom. Look at the elevation of the roof, which is around 4 meters from the ground. So here on the right side, it's with the ensuite bathroom with the rain shower standing, and another separate area for your dressing you're gonna get to the other opposite side of this bedroom. So let's move forward. So let me show you now living areas and the casual living areas with the kitchen and the other parts of the villa, which is on the ground floor. So as you can see the beautiful elevation of this roof which they have done here very nicely. Look at the interior which they have done. So this is your formal living area. As you can see, it's divided for as per your need. Here they have given for the space of 12 people, and then again for the 4 to 6 people over here. And as you can see, there is a long L-shaped space you are gonna get here. So starting from here, that's your dining area with a beautiful counter bar. And look at the every part of the villa. You are going to get the marble with a thickness of 2.5 meters at least, including this beautiful dining white zebra dining table. And then look at this finishing of black zebra marble which they have done to the whole elevation of your private bar. So this bar is a separate than kitchen. Then moving forward, you're gonna get your show kitchen or the serving kitchen which they have given over here. You are going to get a lot of the storage spaces here, as you can see that. So this is your massive and the branded refrigerator. All of the appliances are coming from the Miele brand, which is the German well-known brand. And the contrast of this dark chocolate wooden which they have given to the storage areas of this kitchen. Then moving forward, this is your microwave and coffee machine which is also from Miele. Then here is your wine and champagne cooler for the collection of your expensive champagne. So moving next, here this is your casual living area. So the dining area, you're gonna use the same one as I have showed you before. So this is a perfect for the mansion kind of property. Look at the marble combination of the different things which they have done. Like here they have given the mixture of white and black marble to the hatchback of this living area, and again with the height of 4.2 meters, which is a really good size. And one of the best thing is that you're gonna get floor to glass windows starting from here all the way to the up there. So let me come outside and show you your private courtyard where you have a lot of spaces. As you can see, this massive space is coming with this villa just right after your living area, where you are going to get a kids pool and then another infinity pool right facing to this beautiful 15 kilometers of Crystal Lagoon. Look at the vibe. When we say something super luxurious, this is the thing, guys, that I'm gonna talk about. And if you can see behind me the beautiful sunset you can enjoy from your courtyard while you are doing the swimming or sitting in your courtyard. Here you're gonna get your barbecue area again and there's some courtyard space. So this is your separate space for the barbecue kind of things. Whole villa is surrounded with green plants, and it's natural plants, not the artificial. It's 100% natural. This is gonna be your barbecue area and another courtyard facing to your infinity pool, beautiful sunset, and then a beautiful Crystal Lagoon. It's gonna give you the vibe of that. Moving forward to this thing, then on the next way, we are going to get the private kids play area for your children, so that inside of the villa they don't have to go anywhere for the playing games or these kind of things. This is your private garden. Let me tell you one thing, that this video is just to show you the quality interior layouts and the design of the villa, and the exact villa will be even more beautiful and incredible than this. It will be having the basement as well. It will be having rooftop as well. Moving to the next part of the villa, we was here to the show kitchen. This is the serving kitchen, and then cooking kitchen is right behind of this villa. As you move forward, this is your cooking kitchen. A private access from your courtyard to your cooking kitchen is also you will be getting from here. Another best thing is that you're gonna get a double door refrigerator over here, which is a kind of huge thing that you're gonna get in the front side, a separate one, and here a separate one. Then a lot of the storage spaces and the cupboards you're gonna get here. Look at these things, the massive cutlery storage areas you will be getting here. Here also you will be having the option to have the electric cooker or the gas cooker. It's up to you. So all of the things, most of the things in this villa is customizable. If you will say that we want 6 bedrooms, it will be 6 bedroom. If you want 7, it will be 7. If you want 5, it will be 5. It's all about your need, all about your demand. So moving to the next part, here these stairs are going to the basement, as we can see. So I'm gonna show you another incredible feature of this villa. Look at this private cinema, which is perfect for the family to enjoy this luxurious kind of vibe and to enjoy your favorite Netflix shows, your other all of the favorite movies. So this is your elevator, which is going from the basement all the way up to the rooftop, but I'm not gonna use it because I felt it a little bit slow. So rather than this, I will use the stairs by myself. So welcome to the first floor of this villa. Then moving, starting from here on the right side, this is your private elevator, and again the stairs which is going to the other rooftop. And then here on the left hand, another bedroom which is coming with the direct view of Crystal Lagoon. Look at the size of this master bedroom you're gonna get here with the huge terrace. Look at this huge terrace and the running balcony with this amazing and incredible view while you are enjoying from here. So moving forward, look at the size of this beautiful master bedroom you're gonna get here with the ceiling height of 4 meters, floor to ceiling windows, then a beautiful hatchback and the wall crafted kind of things which is handcrafted over here on the back of your bed. This is a king size bed, and this bedroom will be the king of the family who's gonna pay for this villa, of course. So moving forward, this designated area you are going to get is only for your dressing kind of things. This is for the collection of your expensive and exclusive watches and glasses. And look at the vibe. This is really luxurious kind of thing. When we say something, the super luxury thing, this is going to be that. Sorry, one of the best thing I forget to show you is that the bathroom. This is the bathroom, guys, of this villa. Look at the marble they have given from floor to the ceiling. Look at the contrast of this marble. Is the mixed zebra kind of marble which they have given to the walls. A huge bathtub which is a kind of jacuzzi. I will not say it a bathtub, it's kind of jacuzzi. You will be getting the full Crystal Lagoon view while you are taking bath over here, and her and his sink separately with some storage and the decorated areas here on the down there, the beautiful LED lights. So let's move to the other bedrooms. Look at this huge lobby. So this is the maid room. It's a kind of small maid room which is coming here, but in the actual villa you will be getting in the basement. This is the beautiful lounge or another private casual area, living area for your family, with this small kitchen type of pantry things with some storage areas and another space bar on the top you are getting here. And then again a private terrace you're gonna get with the view of Crystal Lagoon, as you can see. Look at this fresh air kind of thing, because all of the plants over here is the natural and imported from the forests of the Europe. So let me show you the next thing. Moving forward, here on the left hand, you are going to get another bedroom with the ensuite bathroom, which is your kids room, and on the right side there will be another separate kids bedroom, as you can see. So moving to the second floor of the villa, look at the marble again you're gonna get here. Again, you are getting this beautiful elevator. So on this side you're gonna get again a beautiful huge master bedroom, which is having the same mirror of the master king size bedroom that you're gonna get on the first floor. It's the same copy paste, again with the huge terrace it's giving, and again floor to ceiling windows, then again 4 meter of height. Look at the hatchback, which is totally designed interiorly. Then on the left hand you're gonna get your ensuite bathroom, which you can see that it's huge in size. Then moving to the next side, here this area is designated again for your wardrobes, storage spaces. This is a kind of whole room. You can close it by sliding this door. You can close it completely. As you can see, it's surrounded with wardrobes all the way, starting from giving the leather touch from inside with the LED lights, and this thing is coming in all of the wardrobes. So the two master bedroom you're gonna get in this villa, the one is on first floor and the second one is on second floor. So again, I will explain you the prices, sizes, payment plan and everything regarding these mansions. These mansions are called Serenity Mansion. It's having floor size of 14 to 16,000 square feet. The prices are starting from 25 million and it's going all the way up to 106 million dirhams. So the payment plan is very flexible, 60% during construction and 40% on handover. There are 4 types of these mansions. It's starting from 5 bedrooms. It's up to you. You can make it 5 bedroom, you can make it 6, you can make it 7, you can make it 8. It's all depends on your need. And one of the most important thing, that all of the interiors that you have seen in this villa, it's customizable. There are different kind of themes they are giving, the light one, the dark one, and then the last is mixture of both interiors. So I'm gonna give my WhatsApp number on the given screen. If you are locally based, you can call me anytime. If you are internationally based, you can drop me a WhatsApp. Feel free to ask me any question. I will be happy to answer all of that to you, to describe about all of the things regarding these mansions. So I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.